Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, now we will be presenting you on our product called Halal Toyyiban lifestyle application. Okay, this application names Halal Toyyiban lifestyle is created to check the purity of the ingredients in every food, especially those that being sold in supermarkets. So, the main reason this application is created is to overcome the problem of doubt over the purity of a food that is often spread among people, especially for Muslims. So, this application provides many facilities such as accessing halal food by product, by ingredient, by image scanner, by brand, and also by logo. This application also provides barcode scanner, references, as well as facilities to find halal food nearby our place. Therefore, this application is very important to help us Muslims to find halal food no matter where we are. Okay, next we move to the background of this application. Nowadays, we often doubt about the purity of such food, especially those with packaging. Some of the packaging might show halal's logo, but it sometimes makes us curious whether the logo is certified or not. Even we do not know the ingredients written on the packaging are pure or not. As we heard before, the Cadbury chocolate contain pork, so we cannot sure whether it contains pork or not. So we come with this application called Halal Toyyiban Lifestyle that can help us identify whether the food is halal or not using the services that this application has.
Assalamualaikum. Let's take a look first at problem statement, which is the main reason this application is designed. A successful and growing business with a high percentage of margin profit is certainly the goal and dream of all businessmen, especially food vendors with high customer demand. However, not all food businesses are able to achieve this goal when some food vendors have to bear the losses caused by the spread of fake news on the status of halal and haram food, where the news is made unfounded, misinformation, and without fact-checking. This makes the Muslim community feel hesitant, which eventually causes the demand of customers to drop drastically because customers feel hesitant and afraid to buy the food. And now, let's see what solutions are found as an effective way for the statement of this problem. To overcome this problem from continuing and to prevent it from recurring, this application has been specially designed for Muslims. It is as a convenience for the Muslim community. This application has been uploaded with three main functions. First, checking the status of food codes found on the product package whether halal or not. There is also a list of haram food codes and dubious. Second, through this application, the reference of fiqh and fatwas mufti on the food aspects of Toyyiban is also included as an explanation whether it is halal or haram on food that is not included in the code. And the third one, it also lists restaurants that have obtained a halal certificate as an reference. Therefore, this application can overcome the problem that occurs with the absence of the spread of fake news that has a big impact on food vendor. It should be noted that this application is used legally and all content contained in it will always be updated in accordance with the latest changes and information available. Alright, that's all from me, and let's figure out more about these apps after this. Thank you.
Okay, next we move to product briefing and display. As you can see here, this is basically the logo for our product. Okay, this application provides many services where you can search halal food by product, by ingredient, by image scanner, by brand, and also by logo. We can also search by all, which means if we search by all, it will show us all of the details for the product, for the food. So this application also provides barcode scanner and also references that have been confirmed by Mufti, and also share button for us to share halal food all around the world, where we can share to WhatsApp or Instagram or Twitter or TikTok. Okay, and last but not least, this application provides location where we can search halal food nearby our place. That's all from me.
Right now, we're going to continue with the novelty and inventiveness. Number 1, this application's called Halal Toyyiban Lifestyle is a simple application that can help us as Muslim, especially to identify preservative, dye or food additive if halal, haram or masbuh, doubtful. User can identify additive in the products in flexible search engine and find the ingredients section of the product, and in a few seconds the scanner E-code or E-number will find the type of halal or haram additive. It also has interesting features that include halal image scanning. By using the photo scan in order to quickly identify in seconds those products that you should avoid, whether the product is halal or haram. This app is definitely a truly secure application that allow users to check the status of food and beverage products efficiently. In addition, it is also equipped with fake food references and Mufti fatwa that have been agreed by all, that allow us to share with friends on various other platforms such as Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook and more. Thank you.
Next, we will see the usefulness and practicality of Halal and Toyyiban Lifestyles application. For the usefulness, Halal and Toyyiban Lifestyles application can be used by installing on electronic media such as smartphone, tablet and so on. It is very casual to use within any time and anywhere. As a Muslim, we need to be aware in any food that we take. It is very easy to use to know the status of the product and other fake information in Islam. To avoid the fraud of the fake halal logo, our apps can detect the truth of it. To prevent Muslims from accidentally taking the product that forbidden in Islam, Halal and Toyyiban Lifestyles application also usefulness in spreading the information of fake food references of halal and haram in Islam. For the practicality, there will be two attributes that bring the most out of this application practicality. One is quick detector and the second one is having the best list. The feature that makes it really practical is quick detector. The scanner tool is able to detect any food that exists in our country. That means when the scanner tool is selected and the barcode, QR code or label is being captured, the status of the product will be shown immediately. Another practical feature that this app has is the search tool. When we click on it, there will be many choices that are already being listed and matched from our searching. This application contains fascinating features and do not require any price on it. Only need mobile data or internet. Besides that, we can also find out other product status that are listing according to the type of the product. With both of these tools that attributes on these apps, the project of our apps promise that will bring better life to people, especially the Muslim. Halal and Toyyiban Lifestyles are also effective in improving qualities of the right food to people. It is also efficient since not only contain the product status but also other information such as the fake references and Mufti fatwas. Thank you.
My name is Buchita binti Muhammad Said, and now we move to market potentialities. Firstly, this application is very important and valuable for developing it because no other application like this has ever been made with various effective use through the application. Secondly, others application with the same purpose designed today cannot match with this application. Market potential for this app, we need to know about the target users and the market strategy. Firstly, target users. For this app, it's open for all Muslims, so all Muslims can use it. Secondly, market strategy. We will use a social media. Constant posting for our application on social media is useful for us to help the user to learn about the benefits of this application. Besides that, the television, which is create video ads on how to use this application and its advantages. And the last is Google Play Store, which is the best medium for users to reach application and social media.
My name is Yusara binti Nawawi, my metric number 1191470. Last but not least, we continue to the contribution Halal Toyyiban apps to Ummah. On the apps, Muslim users can also view the most popular halal restaurant in an areas, as well as open a map to check how many halal options are near them. In addition to easy search for restaurants that are either fully certified or particularly certified, the Halal Toyyiban apps allow users to read the review, create and discover collection, vote restaurant and receive royalty points. Other than that, Muslim user can scan the product or type its name on the search bar to use the app. This function is especially helpful when shopping in supermarkets for food items such as snacks and chocolate. Through this application also include an explanation the Mufti fatwa on food issues that there is doubt it is unable to identify halal by using code. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.